Here's my beautiful bride. Can you see me?
I can. How are you?
I'm amazing. I mean, this is even better than I dreamed. I look out the window and it's all so unbelievable.
Good for you. I just had a seemingly endless dinner with your mom.
Oh, yeah? That's nice.
It was. Until I found out you never told her we're not going to live with her. Let's talk about that for a minute.
Hey, look, this pen is floating. How crazy is that?
You said you told her, but you never did.
Okay, I know you're upset, but let me share something I've learned since I got here. You realize how small your problems are when you're looking down on them from space. Now, come on, that's gotta make you feel better.
How clear is the image of me on that screen?
Pretty clear.
Do I look like I feel better?
I mean, it's not like HD quality.
Listen, mister, you're gonna talk to your mother and you're gonna fix this. Or that thing I said I was gonna do to you the minute you got home, you could do to yourself.
Like he's been doing since he got here.